As healthcare providers, you understand the importance of protecting patient data. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, sets strict standards for data privacy and security, and failing to comply can result in severe penalties.
But HIPAA compliance is not just about checking boxes on a list. It's about actively protecting patient data from cyber threats. And that's where pentesting comes in. Pentesting, or penetration testing, is a simulated cyber attack against your computer system to assess its security. Pentesting is especially important in healthcare, where patient data is highly sensitive and valuable to cybercriminals. A single breach can compromise thousands of patient records, leading to identity theft, fraud, and other serious consequences. But pentesting is not just about technical security. It's also about understanding the human factor and how employees and third-party contractors can be manipulated into revealing sensitive information. A comprehensive pentest should include social engineering testing to identify areas where employees may be vulnerable to phishing or other types of attacks. So, how can you get started with pentesting for HIPAA compliance? First, identify a qualified pentesting partner who has experience with HIPAA compliance. Next, work with them to conduct a comprehensive pentest, including both technical and social engineering testing. Finally, use the results of the pentest to implement targeted security measures to address identified vulnerabilities. Don't wait until it's too late. Take a proactive approach to HIPAA compliance with pentesting. To learn more about pentesting and HIPAA compliance, join us at eStreetSecurity University, where you can access a range of courses and resources to help you stay ahead of the game.